Hey kids, welcome to my head. Wait. Welcome to an idea I had in my head. That's what I mean.
This morning, this started out as the front, back, and bottom of a very tired old crib.
The basic idea behind this crib was it was actually made out of a crib that both of our kids and all three of Steph's sister's kids used as babies. We're all done making babies now. I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to add some more useful stuff to it.
Beard. No beard. Beard. No beard. Beard. Big beard. 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 No beard. Beard. No beard. Beard. Big beard. Beard. What is continuity?
This cart is going to be my kind of like a production cart. I'm going to wheel it around and do all kinds of stuff with it. On this end, I'm going to put a little shelf here-ish that goes all the way through, and I'm going to have, you know, like a roll of bin liners on here, and underneath it I'm just going to have a garbage can, because I never seem to have a garbage can when I need it, and the rubbish that I create just ends up getting thrown across the room, and sometimes it hits the bin, and mostly it's all over the place. On this end, I'm actually standing on the unit now, there's a big space here. I'm going to put a cabinet here that's going to be my staging area, I guess you could say, for the things that I want to build.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, come on, you. 3. Probably should have done this before the camera started rolling, huh?
Found one.
There is a chance there might actually indeed be time to set up some kind of bench vise on this bench. I do like that foot that I made. even read that? Like the world's heaviest glove. Well, looks like lunch. If this is where the tools go, if this is where I go to change router bits, to change drill bits, all that kind of stuff, theoretically the tools that I'm working with will stay here. And at the end of the project, I wheel this over to wherever and I put the tools away that way. In theory. All things work in theory. Now, underneath all of this, space for a couple of my production bins, which I use to hold the hardware for the project, maybe some small pieces for the project. Like if something's drying up or whatever, stick it in the bin and put it in the slot. I love these. I'm also going to put all my match fit stuff in there. And I'm going to put the micro jig blade cleaner in there as well, so that if I am working with the table saw and my blades are gross, it's right there and just and done. I need a bigger workshop. Says everybody who's ever had a workshop. Hello. So on this side, essentially what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this whack rack with my handy dandy Torquata quick adjust clamps, my quacks as I call them, down a bit, and in here I'm going to put a little kind of bin, I guess. The kind of annoying part is that I'll have to angle the back wall of it to make it work. Paper bag. You like it? Up here I'm going to put a couple tool holders. Essentially I'm going to just mount a pair of these Screwgun holders by Fastcap to a little board that's going to fit here. Theoretically, if the drill's in here and here, my drill and my driver are right there, I will always have them to hand instead of putting them down and going over there and being like, oh, and losing them that way. Oh, I like that. Of course it did. On the top of that cabinet, I am going to put some of this Crubber. This stuff is fantastic. I don't know if you've worked with Crubber much. It's, you know, rubber essentially and cork kind of mixed together. The reason I want to use this is because having that little bit of protection on the top of the kind of staging area, I guess you could say, means I can just put a plane down on it and not worry that it's going to get damaged. I can put just a strop, you know, and it's not going to slide around. Fantastic. That's the plan for that. So yeah, first things first, I guess I just start building stuff, huh? Okay, let's get into it.
Uh-oh.
That's my clamp crib production cart. I think it will be very, very handy, provided I follow some very specific and particular rules, right? As long as I'm putting everything back, it'll be fine. This should work out brilliantly. The whole point of this thing, after all, is just to be a thing that I wheel around the shop to be able to get stuff done, I guess, more efficiently. Shall I describe Doobly-Doo merch plug? Something about links in the description? Yeah. Is that right? Does that make any sense? You know what? I'm okay.